Welcome to today's Explainer. We're tackling a topic that literally pays off to understand, and that is how to file your taxes for free using IRS Free File. Now, if the mere thought of tax season makes your chest tight, take a deep breath. We've got you. By the end of this Explainer, even if you're a total beginner, you're going to feel empowered, knowledgeable, and totally ready to master your tax filing without spending a single dime. Let's get right into it.
So get this. Did you know that millions of Americans miss out on free tax filing every single year? It's wild. People end up paying out of pocket for software or prep services that they actually qualify to get for $0. No way, right? But stay tuned, because over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to avoid those completely unnecessary fees and file your taxes for absolutely free.
Here is our quick game plan for today. We'll start with a welcome to the program, walk through the step-by-step filing process, and then look at some common pitfalls and expert tips. After that, we'll explore some other free tax options, answer your frequently asked questions, and finally, wrap up with the conclusion and a quick disclaimer.
All right, part 1. Welcome to IRS Free File. What exactly is this program, and who is it actually for? Okay, the magic number you need to remember here is $89,000. If your adjusted gross income, or AGI, for the 2025 tax year was $89,000 or less, you qualify for free guided tax preparation through the IRS. And honestly, this is a huge deal, because that AGI limit is actually a massive $5,000 jump from last year. That means millions more Americans now qualify to use the service. And yes, before you ask, that $89,000 limit applies to both single taxpayers and families.
So what is it? Basically, IRS Free File is a public-private partnership between the IRS and the Free File Alliance. The government essentially teamed up with a coalition of 8 trusted, name-brand tax software companies to provide free online prep and e-filing. This means you are getting the exact same highly secure, incredibly accurate guided software from these private companies, but completely free of charge. No sneaky upselling, no hidden fees, just a totally streamlined path to your tax return.
Moving right along to Section 2. We know what the program is, but how do we actually use it? Let's break this down.
The workflow here is honestly incredibly simple. Step 1, and this is absolutely vital, always start at the official website, irs.gov/freefile. From there, Step 2 is to click Explore Free Guided Tax Software and use their Find a Trusted Partner lookup tool. You just punch in some basic info like your age, income, and state, and it automatically filters the 8 partner companies to show you exactly which ones you qualify for. It's like a matchmaking service for taxes. Step 3. You just click the link to be securely redirected to that specific partner's site to create your account. And finally, Step 4, just let the software hold your hand through preparing and e-filing your return.
Now, if you have any reservations about putting your data out there, I totally get it. But IRS Chief Executive Officer Frank J. Bisignano emphasizes that this is a highly secure, official pathway. These partner companies are strictly bound by IRS e-file regulations and Federal Trade Commission privacy rules. They literally cannot disclose or use your tax info for anything other than preparing your return without your explicit consent. Your data is locked down tight.
Let's jump into Section 3, Pitfalls and Expert Tax Tips, because even with the best software, it's still possible to make a mistake.
Okay, huge red flag here. The absolute biggest pitfall, the thing you must avoid, is going directly to a tax software company's commercial website. Do not do it. If you just Google a provider and click straight to their homepage, you are not going to see the IRS Free File portal. Instead, you'll probably get funneled right into a paid product or get hit with sudden state filing fees at the very end. To make sure those free file protections and fee exemptions are actually active, you have to use the gateway link provided directly on irs.gov/freefile.
And hey, let's talk about maximizing those returns. The real beauty of using guided software is that it hunts down credits for you. Definitely keep an eye out for the Earned Income Tax Credit, which is available if you make up to $68,675. Also the Child Tax Credit. And this is a big one for the 2026 season. Recent legislation, officially known as the One Big Beautiful Bill, introduced a brand new enhanced deduction for seniors. If you're 65 or older, you might actually be eligible to claim an additional $6,000 deduction per person, right on top of your standard deduction. The software is going to calculate all of this for you behind the scenes.
All right, Section 4. What if your income is over that $89,000 mark? Or maybe you have a really specific life situation. Let's look at some other free tax options.
Let's compare your 2 main online IRS options. On one side, we have the guided software we've been talking about, which is capped at that $89,000 AGI. But on the flip side, we have free fillable forms. The great news here, zero income limit. It is open to literally everyone. The catch, though, is that there's absolutely no step-by-step guidance. It is strictly DIY. Think of them as just digital versions of the old-school paper forms. Plus, it doesn't support state returns, so it's fantastic if you're a tax wizard who loves doing the math, but if you're a beginner, definitely stick to the guided options if you qualify.
Now, if you are in the military, listen up, because there is a dedicated program just for you called MilTax. This is funded directly by the Department of Defense. It offers 100% free federal filing, plus up to 3 state returns for military members, their spouses, dependents, and some veterans. And the best part? Absolutely no income limit. Plus, you get access to tax consultants who are specially trained in military-specific situations, things like survivor tax forgiveness and filing extensions. It's an incredible resource.
Prefer sitting down with a real human being? The IRS actually has 2 long-standing public-private partnerships for exactly that. First is VITA, the Volunteer Income Tax Assistance Program. They set up shop in community centers and libraries to offer free in-person help to anyone making $67,000 or less, individuals with disabilities, or folks with limited English. Then there's TCE, Tax Counseling for the Elderly, which is run alongside the AARP Foundation. That one is geared toward people 60 and older, and their volunteers are total pros at navigating tricky retirement questions around pensions and benefits.
Section 5. Frequently asked questions. We've gathered the most pressing questions people are asking right now.
Okay, this is a huge one. What happened to IRS Direct File? You might remember hearing some buzz about this pilot program recently. Well, the truth is, the Treasury Department ended the Direct File program. It is not available for the 2026 filing season. Even though some users liked it, official reports showed it had a surprisingly low participation rate. Fewer than 0.5% of returns used it. And it was expensive to run, costing about $138 per return. So the IRS decided to pivot all those resources back into expanding the Free File Alliance that we're talking about today.
Here is another really common question. Does IRS Free File cover state taxes? And the answer is, well, it depends on the partner you choose. Your federal returns are always completely free if you meet the criteria, but state filing policies are a little all over the map. Some of the 8 trusted partners will toss in a free state tax return, depending on your zip code, while others might tack on a fee for the state portion. That is exactly why using that Find a Trusted Partner tool on the IRS website is so important. It lets you review all that fine print before you start typing in your personal data.
Wow, we have covered a lot of ground today. Let's wrap things up in Section 6 with a quick conclusion and disclaimer. First, a quick reality check with our standard disclaimer. While this explainer is packed with reliable tax filing guidance straight from official sources, it does not replace professional financial advice. This season brings some big changes, like those new deductions we talked about. So if your situation is highly complex, maybe you run a tricky small business, you've got major capital gains, or you're dealing with estate issues, you really should consult a credentialed tax professional to make absolutely sure you are claiming every single break you deserve.
But hey, for the vast majority of you out there with standard W-2s, straightforward deductions, and normal credits, you've got this. You are now totally equipped to handle this yourself. You know the $89,000 threshold, you know to go straight to irs.gov/freefile, and you know exactly how to dodge those hidden fee traps. So I'm going to leave you with one final, very fun thought. Now that you are fully empowered to file your taxes for absolutely free, what are you going to do with the money you just saved? Get out there, conquer tax season, and keep your hard-earned cash right where it belongs, in your own pocket. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer.